This video chronicles the transformation of an old farmhouse into habitable, even luxurious spaces. During this process, the family raised 3 children, learned a new language, and attempted to build a life in a completely new country. Comfort was secondary. Survival and establishing order were the priorities. Let's follow this process from beginning to end. Wall coverings are being removed and load-bearing beams are being inspected. Old materials are being cleaned away to reveal the structural framework. The old stone wall that was revealed wasn't perfectly straight. Gaps and old damage are being filled one by one, the surface is being leveled, and the structure is being reinforced. Steel reinforcement is placed before the concrete is poured. This step is taken not only to level the ground, but also to stabilize it in the long term. A real living space is being built.
Does he know when to stop?
The floor is being broken up and trenches are being dug for new plumbing lines. This house previously lacked proper bathroom infrastructure. Now the drainage system is being installed from scratch. The plans aren't finalized yet, but renovation and construction are progressing. First, the insulation membrane is laid, then the fluid screed is spread on the floor. While a new window was being opened upstairs, the structural integrity of the wall had to be preserved. Therefore, a beam was needed to fill the gap. Instead of using ready-mixed concrete, an old, sturdy stone block from the garden was chosen. This stone would both support the structure and offer a natural solution that suited the character of the house. This area, which was previously dark, takes on a completely different atmosphere with the arrival of daylight. This seemingly small intervention completely transforms the feel of the space. With the new window, the room is truly illuminated for the first time. The location of the toilet was carefully measured and the fixing points were marked. This small but crucial step indicates that the space is now transforming into a real bathroom. A modern and insulated glass door system has been added. Now this area is not only renovated but also transformed into a living space usable year-round. New wall lines are being created with a metal frame system. This area is now being divided according to its function. Flexible pipes are being laid for hot and cold water lines, and connections are being made individually. All lines are then gathered at a central point using a modern collector system. In this transformation, undertaken with 3 children, plans changed repeatedly and priorities were constantly redefined. But every step was taken with the goal of turning this old farmhouse into a true home. The chosen stone sink complements the home's historic character while offering a modern touch. This transforms the space into a true bathroom, or even a more elegant living area than expected. A year ago, this house had a toilet without a door. This isn't just a design choice. It's the tangible result of patience and hard work. While renovations continue inside the house, the garden has also begun to take shape. This wasn't just a landscaping project, it was a demonstration of a will to establish a permanent life here. A transitional space is being created between the house and the garden where they can sit and spend time. This is not just an aesthetic touch, it's a living space that will enhance the time spent here. This house was never finished all at once. Plans changed, priorities shifted, and some ideas were even abandoned altogether. But each phase was part of an effort to make this old stone house habitable, while preserving its character. The living spaces needed to be redesigned for a family with 3 children. Therefore, the interior was divided into separate, functional sections for both parents and children. This old French farmhouse is still not completely finished. The project is ongoing, plans are evolving, and there is still much work to be done. The areas you see today are the result of long hours of hard work and patience. But it's no longer a construction site. It's a home where people live, where children's voices are heard, and daily life unfolds. The transformation continues, but life has already begun. If you'd like to see this process in more detail, to hear each stage from their own accounts, you can find much more detailed videos on the family's YouTube channel. The channel links are in the description and in the pinned comment.